Hello everyone, I'm Mr. Yong. See you again. So previously I have posted one YouTube about the MyInvoice Portal. So I got teach you how to use the MyInvoice Portal because I feel that before we go to the auto count system or any accounting system e-invoicing module, I feel that you should try to feel or how to use this MyInvoice Portal so that you were more familiar with this e-invoicing. But definitely some customer say, "Aya, Young, you help me to do lah. No need to go to study what e-invoice portal or what." But I feel you should know why. Because let's say all the invoice you issue in your accounting system, it will submit to the My Invoice portal. Then you need to know what happened, right? Then how to check in this My Invoice portal. So if you have the time, you go to my YouTube channel, there look for the one My Invoice, then you will know how to do that. Even though you also can test yourself, because that one is a sandbox. So you just use your My Tax account login, then try in error. They'll try to fill it. How is the e-invoice Malaysia coming soon? So we straight away go to this Autocount e-invoicing configuration. Autocount got released one beta version 2.2. So they try to make it differentiate. 2.2 is a e-invoicing module. 2.1 is a without any e-invoicing module. So I believe they are branding now. So they released to our dealer to link to this sandbox to try. Okay, I haven't released to market, but we still need to know how to configure it because I already successful link this AutoCount to this LHTN sandbox. Okay, so in this slide, first of all, definitely you need to log into the My Tax Portal first. Because you need to do some setting. So you need to how to register, how to add the role application. Otherwise, you cannot see your company. Then this is the link, website link is for sandbox. So you want to know more about how to register, how to add the role, how to add your representative. Then you go to user menu. I'm not going to teach because if I step by step to show you, you will see all my private thing, my income tax. But I also follow their user menu. Their user menu is is a very good it able to guide me to how to do that. Okay. So here I got show you some way is a role application. Otherwise, if you didn't apply the role application or if you want to appoint the representative also can, but I manage by myself, so I didn't appoint any representative. So you can refer to the user menu. So like I said, I already add I'm the director of this company. So that I can see my company. So you want to access the sandbox, the report, you go to My Invoice report. So if the real real implementation, the link, the name is it called report, I don't know maybe they will change the name or what. So after you log into the My Invoice portal, so you need to go to the taxpayer profile. Click on the taxpayer profile there. Then you scroll down. You will scroll down to the representative part there. So you will see your representative and yourself, majikan or director or the boss. So in the user there. But today I want to teach you how to link to this auto account. So you need to go to the intermediate here. Then press the add intermediary. Okay, then your dealer should provide you the auto count, the PIN number, BIN number, company registration, company name, so that you can key in this intermediary PIN number, BIN name, and search the auto count because auto count in the My Invoice Portal is the active intermediate, so that should be active. Okay, you can set okay, then you press continue. So you can set the range, you make it longer, okay, make it longer because maybe in the future you're not going to use AutoCount. Maybe you change other system. So maybe you can inactive here or what, change the date or what. Okay, then you should enable all the permission. Then create the add intermediary. So you will be successfully add your AutoCount as your intermediary. You mean AutoCount as your middleman. you you have go to see my YouTube regarding about this Autocount e-invoicing concept. So you key in your invoice in the Autocount, right? Then Autocount using their AIP server. Then you send to the AIP server, AIC total to send to this LSTN server, right? So this is an intermediate lah. Okay. So some my customer call me, hey Yong, do I need to subscribe or buy the digital certificate? Okay, as you know, if you using the API, your e-invoice submit to this LSTN server, you need to digital signature. It means sign your invoice. Then your invoice will become validate, ma. So this one AutoCAD already pay for you. Okay, you just need to add the AutoCAD as an intermediary. Then you entitled to send your invoice to the extension free. Okay. So so I believe them with the SQL, AutoCAD, Mina or what lah. So this company should pay for you lah, buy the digital certificate. So after that, the MyInvois portal setting is that's all only. Add your intermediary, okay, to link to the AutoCAD. So in the AutoCAD, what is the setting we need to do? You go to Tools, Option. You need to enable your e-invoice first. Is it you want to allow the consolidated? You need to press the add the update the code listing so that you can get the new code from the AIP server and the LSTN server. Now we got the one new function approval workflow. So because if you go to my previous YouTube video, I could explain that AutoCount got the one approval workflow there. Your staff save the invoice as a draft. Okay, draft it will send to the LSTN server. So you need to double check everything correctly. Okay. Then you approve by the manager or the boss, they send to the LTN. Because what if you allow your staff to save and approve, send to LTN, if you any mistake in your invoice, you cannot edit anymore. You force to cancel or issue the CN. Okay. So that is a thing. So here I got some suggestion is maybe cash book, invoice, credit note, debit note, and then the purchase invoice because got the overseas supplier ma. Okay, then the sell bill. Okay, so this I think should be tick lah. Okay, so the your cash book why we need to approve because you may be have the issue commission, then after that you sell bill ma, or your renter. So there's a thing. So here they got one more setting called unapproved document will be automatic marked as expired. In the default, it's 10 day lah. As you know, in the new guideline, LSTN said that is you can submit your invoice within 72 hours. I got try in the My Invoice Portal. Is allow you to select 3 days. Okay, somehow you may 4 days because it's a 72 hour ma. Okay, it means the first day it maybe is a half day already, then until the fourth day, another half, also 72 hours. So I saw this can select the 4 days. I believe it's based on the 72 hours. So in here, since we have the 72 hour, 10 day as a default is quite long. So I think I will change to 3 lah. 3 lah. Because if you put 10 day, let's say what if your boss forgot to approve your document. So after 10 days, the AutoCAD will set as an expire lah. So too late to alert you already lah. Too late to alert you say this invoice already expired. They say the boss say, "Aya, expired. I go to approve it, send." The 10 days already. So what going on this LSTN invoice, the server there is invalid or what? I don't know lah. Okay, so or cannot validate. So I think this one make it is a 3 days. My suggestion So see how lah. When the phase one we facing, then we try to tackle it. Okay. So since we have the approval workflow, definitely we have the new access right. So you can set who can approve the invoice. So this is a very important setting in this AutoCount. So since we have the new document for the e-invoice like consolidated and the sell bill. So we also have the new document numbering maintenance. You can change the format if you want, but in AutoCount we already put the default. You still can change the format you want. Okay. So this is the main point in the AutoCount because this one will be linked to MyInvois Portal using the test entity. So think note on here. So in the previous my YouTube video, I got one topic called test entity maintenance. I explain to you what is the test entity, how to maintain. We AutoCAD have the four method to maintain this test entity. Previously I just asked you to key in the customer and supplier only, right? So now you need to add your company test entity also. Why? So here is your company test entity. This is my company test entity. So this one, your TIN number, BRN company must be same with your MyInvois Portal. Then after that, then you come to the company profile and select your company TIN number in the company profile. You press save. It will take a few seconds. With a little bit long compared with the uh, normal uh, previous version because when you select this TIN number, AutoCAD will detect your this TIN number it means they want to make the linking to this MyInvois Portal. So we detect it lah. Okay, save. Then we link already. That's all only. The setting is very easy. First, you go to MyInvois Portal, add the AutoCAD as an intermediary. Secondly, then you go to AutoCount here in the company profile, select your company tax entity, link already. That's all. Okay, that's all. Very easy. Okay, so quite easy to do that. Okay, so after that, then what we need to do is in the stock item maintenance. So we got a few new function for the e-invoice. So first of all is a classification. This is a compulsory field. We got what if you forgot to put your classification, you're not able to save your invoice. If you're able to save your invoice, you submit to this LSTN server, maybe it's invalid because your classification is a compulsory field. Okay. Another one is a e-invoice measurement is optional. Okay, I believe this one is a future use, like PayPal system. So it means this one will be do the mapping with your item, with your supplier item. So that because your supplier will also issue the e-invoice to you, right? So if your this measurement mapping do correctly, you can retrieve your supply invoice from the PayPal system. You don't need to key in your supply invoice. So this one will be future, future lah. So if you have a chance, touch this option, then we go for it in the future So hopefully it will be done in the future. Okay. Another setting is the must generate e-invoice. In the default setting is the untick. So it means this invoice can be consolidated. Okay. What if you tick this option? In your invoice, if you have this item, this invoice must be standard invoice, cannot be consolidated. From the previous video, I got explained to you that, or you refer to the guidelines that some of the industry is not allowed to consolidate. Example, construction material. What if one of your item is under this construction material, under this rules regulation, then you need to take this one. Then this item you cannot be consolidated anymore. So that's all is my sharing. So, but definitely you need to know is the main thing is first you need to add the AutoCount as an intermediate in your MyInvois Portal. Then after that, add your test entity in the AutoCount. Then you set your this entity in your company profile. Then link already. It's a very easy step to implement. Okay. From my side here, maybe some of the customer not familiar with the system. They say I don't know how to put the AutoCount as a intermediate. Definitely, I'm not going to take your password normally my arrangement, this kind of the P&C thing, I will ask my customer, okay, you log into your my test portal. Then after that, you give me your any test, Ultra Viewer or Team Viewer. Okay, I help you. Either you key in or I key in. Okay. So, but definitely I hope you do yourself lah. Okay, because it save my time also ma. Okay, I give this guideline to you, you just follow. That's all. Okay. But I believe some of the customer will asking my help. Okay. Okay, it's fine lah, it's fine lah. As long as you link successful. If you link not successful, I also cannot do another step, ma, right? So depend on your dealer and you how to arrange lah, huh? So now we go to the system, see how it look like. Okay. I already successfully link my AutoCount to the this sandbox. This sandbox, huh? So let me share my screen first. Okay. Okay. So this is the AutoCount. This is AutoCount. Okay. So I share already or not? Okay, share already. Okay. So this is the AutoCount 2.2. So definitely we go one round the setting option, test entity. Okay, so you can see the invoice option, Google workflow. Okay, then go to the test entity, maintain your company test entity. Then after that, go to the company profile. You select your test entity, search OK. Okay, but definitely you can press the share company info test information to your this test entity to the auto count. You can refer to my one video called test entity maintenance. This option actually is the if you press this button, your test entity will save into the AutoCount server. Then other AutoCount user or they can retrieve your this test entity from the AutoCount. No need to manual type or what. If you want to share, if you don't want to share, you don't press, so you will go for manually. You can go for my YouTube regarding this e-invoice, this test entity maintenance this topic. So we go to the invoice there. Okay, this invoice. So this is a look like invoice. So here you can right click to get the e-invoice setup. I already right click and you see previously the LSTN server a lot got problem now. Okay, so just ignore first. But they return the invalid. It's not my fault. I don't know what to do on this invalid invoice also. Okay, so we need to wait for the LSTN how they uh settle this issue lah. So here also got one new function. You go to right click. Again, right click. You go to this view, change log. You can see who set the draft, who approve, who cancel. You can check all this information is quite good. I feel quite interesting function on the AutoCount. Let's say this invalid. I also can see the error message, or I can go to view. Then you go to this invoice here. You got one button. Go to edit here. You go to here. Also got the error message. Okay, you can see the error message. What is the return? What is the error message? You also can resubmit the e-invoice. Let's say you set it fail or nothing happened. Okay, so you can press the resubmit e-invoice. Here I want to show you is the one thing is there got one more option is called submit e-invoice. This one. This one. Okay, in the default is the tick because definitely all your invoice you need to submit the invoice, right? What if I want to issue the normal invoice? Okay, according here, so far I got two scenario lah. First scenario I believe is the disbursement invoice. If you go to the guideline, say if you some of the item is a pay on behalf, right? They say no need to issue the invoice. Okay, so this we call disbursement item. So then you untick this one, this invoice become normal invoice, not e-invoice anymore. It won't help you to submit. Okay. Second scenario is from the AutoCount programmer, they told us why they made this option. Another purpose is for those the company have the doing the e-commerce, let's say Shopee, Lazada. According their information, Shopee, Lazada, they will do the sell bill. They will do the sell bill. So if you here issue invoice, you also send the invoice to the SDN, it will be double declared. So if your AutoCount got linked to the e-commerce system, your e-commerce system will retrieve the order from this Shopee Lazada, right? Here, then you deliver your good and issue the invoice, ma. So your e-commerce system should be need to change a big setting. Make sure this invoice is unticked. Okay, what if lah, you have some other e-commerce plugin or system according to the AutoCount programmer told us lah. Okay, so that is uh who have because they say the Shopee Lazada they will do the sell bill lah. Okay, that is one thing, right? Okay, so you add the new one, you can set at the draft, you can set the approval. Okay, so that is my presentation until here. Uh, one more tips I want to show is the item. Okay, item here. Okay, so you can select the classification and you can must issue e-invoice, then e-invoice measurement. Okay, what I want to tell you is here I got two items. I edit one by one. Fine. What if your company have 500, 1,000? So you can use an easy item lah. So you go to find, search, check all, easy item. After that, here they got one select all button. So this button, left button. So select all. Then press the second button is a range set button. Then after that, you take the classification, select your classification or your measurement. You press apply. So system will help you to fill in. You just set on it. Very easy. Okay, very easy this one. Okay. So this is a little bit tips for yours. So hope that when I implement the e-invoice to my phase one customer, okay, so very smooth, no problem. Because during this duration, I facing a lot of the problem is e-invoice testing. Uh, Hopefully it's run smooth. Thank you to everyone. See you next. In the future, we will see where we will share a lot what we happening in the phase one. See you again. Thank you.